Hey Excel fans, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a tab that controls the entire look and feel of your Excel sheet, the Page Layout tab. From margins and orientation to grid lines, themes, and print settings. This tab is essential for preparing professional documents, especially if you want to print them out or present them to others. Let's explore every feature together. Section 1. Themes. Let's start with the Themes group. This is where you can completely change the design of your workbook with just a click. Themes. Predefined sets of fonts, colors, and effects. Colors. Customize or pick different color palettes for your charts, tables, and text. Fonts. Switch between font sets, example, modern, classic, corporate. Effects. Adjust visual styles like shadows and reflections. This group is perfect when you want all your sheets to follow a consistent brand or visual style. Section 2. Page Setup. Now, the most critical part. Page Setup. This group is your go-to when preparing a sheet for printing. Margins. Adjust the space around the edges. Try narrow for saving paper or wide for clean formatting. Orientation. Choose between portrait and landscape. Size. Set paper size. Common ones are A4 or letter. Print area. Select what part of the sheet you want to print. Breaks. Insert or remove page breaks, crucial when splitting large sheets across pages. Background. Add a custom image behind your sheet. It won't show in print, just on screen. Print titles. Repeat specific rows or columns on every printed page. Very useful for large data sets. Section 3. Scale to fit. This one is a lifesaver when you've got too much data. Width and height. Fit all columns or rows onto one page. Scale. Shrink or enlarge the printout without changing your actual content. Tip. Avoid shrinking below 60%, or text may become unreadable. Section 4. Sheet Options. Here's where you control what gets printed. Grid lines. Toggle the visibility of cell grid lines. Check or uncheck them for viewing and printing separately. Headings. Show or hide column letters and row numbers. If you're preparing a report or presentation, turning these off can give it a cleaner look. Section 5. Arrange Group. Lastly, we have Arrange similar to PowerPoint tools. Bring forward, send backward. Move objects like images or shapes in layers. Selection. Pane. View and manage all objects on your sheet. Align, group, rotate. Perfect for aligning multiple shapes or graphics with precision. This is rarely used by beginners but very powerful when designing interactive dashboards or printable forms. So, whether you're formatting a financial report, printing a budget, or just trying to make your spreadsheet look sharp, the Page Layout tab gives you full control over presentation and printing. Practice each feature and see how your Excel sheets go from basic to professional in just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and don't miss the next episode in our Excel Deep Dive.